Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you TokenPocket Wallet Honest Review. So TokenPocket Wallet, which operates through their website tokenpocket.pro, is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed for storing, sending, and interacting with digital assets across multiple blockchains. Now, it's positioned as a Web3 wallet rather than an exchange, meaning it doesn't hold funds on behalf of anyone. Instead, private keys and recovery phrases stay with the wallet holder, which is the standard setup for the centralized crypto wallets. Now, it supports popular networks like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Tron, Polygon, and others, and it's commonly used to connect to the centralized apps, DeFi platforms, and NFTs. Now, from a trust and safety perspective here, Scam Advisor, currently does not hold a very reassuring trust profile. So currently it sits in the 1 out of 100 trust rating, and there are some good and bad things here. Like, for example, the website does have a valid SSL certificate, so these information on the website at these are processed or at these are encrypted. But there are multiple things that you may want to know, like the website having multiple negative reviews, and the website seems to be trading NFTs. Now, anything or any website that is trading NFTs or associates themselves with NFTs already sits in the high risk area, because again, cryptocurrency is highly volatile. So that's why sometimes websites or trust checking platforms that rate this kind of websites as high risk. So from a technical standpoint here, you may want to be careful in using the website, because again, it deals with NFTs, and anything about crypto is high risk. Now, Trustpilot here, however, shows much more of a mixed picture here when it comes to user experience. Now, according to what Trustpilot shows us, TokenPocket has a low overall rating with many negative reviews. A large portion of these reviews mention lost funds, failed transactions, inability to withdraw, or frustration with customer support. Now, some reviewers describe situations where assets were sent to the wallet but later became inaccessible, or where support responses were all slow or unhelpful. Now, at the same time, there are also reviews from people saying the wallet works as expected for storing and managing crypto. Now, the gap between these experiences is important to understand. Now, the key point that comes up repeatedly in crypto discussions is that non-custodial wallets like TokenPocket here do not control transactions, funds, or third-party services. Losses often happen when people interact with risky smart contracts, fake tokens, or phishing links, or external investment schemes connected through the wallet. While this doesn't invalidate the complaints seen on Trustpilot, it does explain why some negative experiences are tied to how wallet is used rather than the wallet software itself. Still, from a user's perspective, those experiences are real and understandably damaging to trust. Now, if you're going to take everything together here, based on what we're seeing here, TokenPocket is a real and widely used crypto wallet with multi-chain support and long enough history to confirm isn't a fake or imitation platform. But then again, however, Trustpilot reviews clearly show that many people have had negative experiences, particularly around lost funds and lack of support, which highlights the importance of understanding self-custody risk and being extremely careful when interacting with third-party crypto services. Now, out of everything we found here, we could assume that this is legit, but still sits in the high risk area here, because again, crypto or anything that is related to crypto is highly volatile, and since it's decentralized, there's not much help that you can get in here. So you need a lot of training, or at least knowledge here, if you really want to really interact with it. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.